Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. So, welcome to your first computing lesson of week number 20. Okay. So, in today's lesson, what we will do, we will start with a new unit, that is unit number 5. Okay, and in this unit, we will learn that how we can draw pictures on the computer, how we can write something on the computer. Well, you know that how to write something or how to draw pictures on a piece of paper, right? But now we will together learn that how we can do this on computer as well, right? So I'll teach you that what are the apps, what are the softwares, what are the programs or whatever, etc. You will be using for that to write that and to make good use of it. Okay, so let's start today this lesson with an interesting activity, and the activity is that you are supposed to tell me what is your favorite hobby. Okay, so let's start with myself. Okay, so my favorite hobby is baking, cooking and baking. Well, but I love baking the most. Okay, so I love baking. So whenever I get free time, whether it is day, whether it's night, whatever the time is, when I just want to bake something, I just do bake it, right? Because I love baking. So I love the mixing of the products. I love when and the happiest moment for me is that when something that I was baking, it turns out to be the perfect. Okay, so this is my favorite hobby, right? Beside that, I love cycling as well. So even up till now, I do cycling, and whenever I get a chance, whenever I get a cycle of somebody, I do practice it. So you are supposed to tell me that what are your favorite hobbies, right? And to what extent, like I told you, that the happiest moment for me is that when the cake, whether it's a bread, whether these are muffins, whether these are cupcakes, when it turns out to be something very cool, so I feel like the top of the world. So you're supposed to tell me what is your favorite hobby and how much time do you give it to that. Yes, let's start with Sarah. Yes, Sarah, what is your favorite hobby? Okay, and how much time do you spend with it? That's very interesting. So see, student Sarah says that she loves reading books. She loves reading novels, right? At such a small age. That's very interesting, Sarah. And that is why Sarah keeps on buying new books and she has a mini library in her room as well. That's really great. Really appreciative. Okay, let's move toward Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah, what is your favorite hobby? Okay, Abdullah also loves cycling and games. Okay, so you love playing games different in your free time. Okay, what type of games do you like? Whether they are physical, indoor, or outdoor? Indoor, like video games. Okay, so which is your favorite game? Okay, so how much time do you spend on it? Okay, that's great. Okay, so let's ask Ali. Yes, Ali, which is your favorite hobby? Very good. Okay, so now all of you have told me that what are your favorite hobbies and how much time do you spend on it. So before moving forward, I want to give you a home assignment. The home assignment is that you are supposed to take a blank piece of paper, like an A4 size paper or any other paper which is available at your home. On the top of that, give the title of your hobby. Let's say my favorite or my hobby is reading, right? Give the title, and then beside that, you're supposed to draw the picture of that like related to those hobbies. Let's say if Sarah loves reading, she will be drawing the picture of the book. She will be making can be make a picture of a small library, etc. Right? Or if whatever your favorite hobby is, you can draw the picture similar to that, right? Okay, so now what next, that either you can draw the picture or so either you can draw the picture of your hobby or you can paste any picture. Let's say you can paste the picture of books, you can paste the picture of a library, you can paste the picture of some good collection of novels, etc. Right? You can paste the picture of a girl or a boy sitting and reading novel. So you are supposed to make a poster on a piece of paper. Okay, that is your home assignment. Now let's move forward. How we can write something on a computer. So today's uh, listen would be just a little introduction to that. Okay, so what you are supposed to do on the search area where you type, where you search for something, let me share the screen with you. Okay, I'm going to share the screen with you. You will see that how you can search for it. Okay, okay, let's see. Just ignore this page over here where it is written that type here to search. You will write word, WORD, word. Okay, and on the top the app will come by the name word. Okay, you will just click on it and then the word will open for you. Okay, you will click on blank document. Now this has been opened. Let me share it again. So I'm sharing the screen again, I think. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen again with you. How we have opened this. On the search area you will write word, then it will show you the app. On that you will click on word and then click blank document. 3 steps. Okay, I'm writing these steps for you on the board as well. Okay, the first step is that click on search bar, then write word over there. This will show you a list of apps. From there, click on Word. When Word will open, click the blank page, okay? And then this blank page will open for you. Now, in today's class, what we are supposed to learn is I'll teach you that how you can give the title to your page, okay? So how you can give the title. Let's say now in today's class we are talking about our hobby. So I'll write the title. Let's say my hobby is baking, right? Similarly, if all of you, whatever your hobbies are, you are supposed to write that, okay? So as I have shown you that my hobby is baking, so you will be writing the same, whichever is your hobby. And then now we will select this. How we can select this? Right click on this, okay? Or the other method is that you will just click on this. It's automatically select, okay? Double click on this and it will automatically select. Now from here you will increase the size of it, turn it to 16. Now bring it, in order to bring it to the center of the page, over here there are four alignment options. The first one is justify at left side. The second one is align in the center. Third one is align on the right hand side. And the last one is align, justify it evenly, to distribute it evenly over the page, right? What we want is we want this title on the center of the page, so we will select the second option. Now it is in the center of the page, right? Now I will also make it bold, and this is all. We have given the title to the page. Now this is not only about the hobby. Whatever you are writing, whatever the title is, whatever the heading of the page is, you will just write it down. Now the 16 size is not appropriate, fixed, that you can just write in 16 or you can just write in this style. No, nothing is final. You can choose the size of your own, you can choose the writing style of your own, you can, but it's better to bring the title or the heading into the center alignment. So how we can bring that? Let's quickly revise it together. You will double click on this, it will automatically select. Then you will click on the second option, which is for center alignment. Got it? Okay. Now I want all of you to please open the Word on your laptops or computers or whatever the devices you are using by following the same procedure. I have written the procedure for you on the board as well. Just look at that. The first is that you will click on the search bar. Then from there, over there, write Word. It will show you a list of apps. Select the word, then open the blank page, okay? And then you will be writing a title in that. Hurry up, start practicing it and let me know if you have any confusion. Okay, hurry up. Yes, everybody is working. Any confusion in anything? No? Okay, that's great. Yes, Alize. What's wrong? Yes, bacha. The first option, which is the blank page or the untitled page, open that. Got it? Okay, good. All of you are done? You have given the title to it? Very good. So that was all for today. What we have learned that how we can give the title or the heading of something in our page. So we have practiced it together, and now you are supposed to revise all of this at your home and let me know if you have any confusion, anything. We will resolve it together. And do make the home assignment that I have given you. You are supposed to make the poster of your favorite hobby on a piece of paper. Okay, so I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.